when I joined the institution, a lot of, infrastructure challenges were there with respect to the Wi-Fi, with respect to the network, with respect to the security. So all this thing came up. So that was the seed to this entire transformation. Our first step was to build the highway, which is the overall digital infrastructure.
Okay.
And then we picked up the digital tools, we picked up the Chromebooks, we partnered with Google, and we have a technology integration knowledge partner as well for improving the pedagogy. Because at the end of the day, everything has to be done for the learner. Whatever in digital infrastructure we have created, it has to be the foundation of all things that we do in the classroom. Whether usage of the smart boards, whether an uninterrupted Wi-Fi, whether fixing the unwanted sites, and the cybersecurity as well. And all this boiled down to more innovative ways of teaching in the classroom. The hardware investment anyone can do, but you have to first start with the networks, with your security, and then get into the device implementation. And I am proud to say that partners such as Netoyed, and very well led by Mr. Manish and their entire team. So they are helping school like ours doing this, process from ideation to execution. And we are super satisfied of how we have now uninterrupted Wi-Fi service, uninterrupted network, and overall security. So this is very critical, and we are happy to have such partners with us.